Namaste, beautiful people. This is Sri Rinki. I am a natural born psychic intuitive tarot card reader, an infinity archangel, energy master, and healer, Reiki healer, and spiritual ascension guide for the age of consciousness and the children of light. Thank you so much. This is October 2021, and we are doing a fun reading today to find out for all the signs what's this month going to be like. And this is not going to be like a traditional reading. We are going to use this fun bowl, right? Magic bowl, to pick some messages that we need to hear, right? Not that we want to hear, what we need to hear, and which will help us transcend from our current time-space dimension to a higher paradigm and attract and manifest beautiful new blessings and things in our lives, experiences in the month of October 2021. Happy Durga Puja, everyone who finds this. I'm from West Bengal, India, and Durga Puja is a big deal here. And this is the celebration of the divine feminine, and I'm so proud sharing my psychic and spiritual insights, and love sharing my light and wisdom. Thank you. Let's begin. We'll start with earth signs today. Signs. We'll begin with the sign of Taurus. This is my Sacred India Tarot deck, and we'll pick one card from the deck for the signs of Taurus. 9 of Staves, 9 of Wands, and at the bottom of the deck, 7 of Staves, 7 of Wands. Okay, and let's now pick some messages from the bowl. I told you this is not going to be a traditional reading, so we are going to be very free-flowing with the reading. Let's find out. Okay, so the card that we got here is 9 of Staves, my dear Taurians, right? Now I see you could be at the end of a cycle this month of October. You're holding on strong. You've fought a long battle, it seems, but you're still strong, and a major cycle is completing in your life. And it seems that you were in a lot of, you were faced with a lot of fire in the past 7 months. Maybe you were struggling, sitting, and काफ़ी आप internal अंतर अग्नि में, I want to say अंतर अग्नि में आप जले, and but all of that has given you a lot of strength. आपको spiritually बहुत आपको evolve किया है ये पिछले कुछ 7 months में आपने बहुत evolve किया है. That is exactly what I want to say. And I see that you're still holding strong, and you're coming into your power in October. That is what I want to say. So fire wands का कार्ड आया है, fire energy आई है earth signs आपके लिए, and Taurians, my dear Taurians. So देखते हैं अक्टूबर के महीने में आप क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं. आई डू डेफिनेटली फील कि आप या तो पहाड़ों में रहते हैं या पहाड़ों में घूमने जा सकते हैं. दैट इज़ समथिंग दैट आई एम channeling for many Taurians, right? So congratulations, happy holidays, and from the bowl, from the magic bowl, number 22, could be of significance. Number 11 could be of significance. Maybe you're seeing the repetitive pattern numbers of 111, 222. Be very mindful of your intentions because they're manifesting. That is what they're telling me. And these angel numbers may be following you, and these could be very well your date of birth also. Okay, and the day Monday, right? In the day Monday may be significant to all of you. In October, all the Mondays, I want to say, the Mondays has come up twice, right? So Monday, every minute you are angry, you lose 60 seconds of happiness. Okay, so that is a message that you need to hear at this point in time. I told you, in this month of October, we are focusing upon the messages that we need to hear. Okay, so because यहाँ पे बड़ा fire sign है, I do feel, bottom of the deck we had the 7 of staves, right? So fire बहुत है, तो definitely शायद इसीलिए anger आ रहा है, काफ़ी आपने put up किया है fight. It takes strength and courage, but the idea is that अगर आप एक वॉरियर अपने अंदर अगर शांति, एक वॉरियर का एंड गोल सोच के देखें तो पीस होता है, राइट? और वॉरियर उतना ही स्ट्रांग होता है जितना उसके अंदर, अपने अंदर जितना शांति होता है, राइट? वो उतना क्लैरिटी के साथ अपना तलवार चला सकता है, राइट? प्रिसिशन के साथ. So don't be angry. This is Durga Puja time. Be happy, Taurians. Every minute you're angry, you lose 60 seconds of your happiness. Don't do that. Be happy, okay? In life, let us learn from the past to profit by the present and to live better for the future. Now, that is a very beautiful message, guys. 9 of Staves, Taurians, right? In life, सी यहाँ पे लेट इज़ लर्न फ्रॉम द पास्ट. ये जो इतने सारे वॉन्ड्स पीछे खड़े हुए हैं, इनसे सीखिए. अपनी पुरानी फाइट से आपने जो सीखा, उस लर्निंग को लीजिए. टू प्रॉफिट बाय द प्रेजेंट, उसको आज के डेट में काम में लगाइए. एंड टू लिव बेटर इन द फ्यूचर, राइट? ताकि आप आगे बेहतर जिंदगी बिता सके. So that is one very important message which is coming through for Taurians. Maybe you somebody who likes to wear goggles. यहाँ पे मेरे goggles थे जो बाहर निकल के आए. And maybe you somebody who likes to wear goggles. And let's quickly get to the other messages. And time is over. Oh my God, time is over. Okay, so the time is over. I think आपकी struggle का time is over. जो ग्लानी, आत्मग्लानी आपने जो अपने अंदर, I can relate to this woman as somebody who's been, reflecting within herself. And so time is over, right? आपका अच्छा समय शुरू होने वाला है. That is what I want to say. Wow, I want to do this for you. Taurans, let's quickly read the next message. Faith is the basis of every act. You do not run away from the barber, though he is armed with a sharp razor. Okay? Please, if you need this message, if it resonates with you. Faith is the basis of every act. कुछ भी करे, बाबा के पास रेजर है, लेकिन फिर भी बाल कटाने आप उसके पास जाते हैं, दाढ़ी मूंछ कटाने जाते हैं. फेथ रख के, ये नहीं सोचते कि वो आपको गला काट देगा, So faith, okay, is very important in every act. Again, देखिए इसमें भी Monday, all the 4 Mondays Taurians आपके लिए बहुत बहुत important है. Maybe आप शिव भक्त हो सकते हैं, if resonate with that. Hope for the best, get ready for the worst, and then take what God chooses to send. Oh my God, देखिए God presence है इस कार्ड में. देखिए होप फॉर द बेस्ट, ये बंदा सामने देख के होप कर रहा है. होप फॉर द बेस्ट, गेट रेडी फॉर द वर्स्ट, राइट? एंड देन टेक व्हाट गॉड चूजेस टू सेंड. सो मे बी आई फील आपके सामने चॉइसेस आएंगी, राइट? नॉट फॉर एवरीबडी, दिस इज़ अ जनरल रीडिंग. मेरे को लगता है आप लोग के लिए चॉइसेस आएंगी लव की इस महीने में. आपको लव, आपको दो लोगों के बीच बीच में चूज करना हो सकता है इन टर्म्स ऑफ लव, इफ वी आर टॉकिंग, आई फील. सो या, एंड आई एम गाइडेड टू पिक दिस मैसेज. ओके, अगेन जेमिनाई लवर्स, मे बी आप अपने ट्विन से मिल सकते हैं, क्योंकि यहाँ पे अगेन 22 आया है. देखिए, मैंने आपको कहा था कि ये आ रहा है मई एंड जून. ये आपके आपके बिलवड्स के डेट ऑफ बर्थ हो सकते हैं, मंथ्स हो सकते हैं, या आप खुद हो सकते हैं. जेमिनाई साइन हो सकता है, अगेन ट्विन साइन है. स्पेस, right? And the lovers, and see, I have the lovers card here. You can't make this up. This is such a huge synchronicity. Okay, so definitely I'm guided to end the reading here to let you all know that dispersion, instability, challenges and change. October, in the month of October, I think आपके आप में बहुत ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन आएगा. आप में, आपके लव लाइफ में भी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन आएगा. एंड आई डू बिलीव दैट कुछ चीज़ें, जैसे कि यहाँ पे बोला कि hope for the best, get ready for the worst, and then take what God chooses to send, right? तो जो ईश्वर आपको भेजता है वो आपके लिए सही है. और डिस्पर्शन होगा, राइट? आपको चॉइसेस मिलेंगी, कुछ आपको लेट गो करना पड़ेगा. एंड बट डू होप फॉर द बेस्ट, ओके, एंड बी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर द वर्स्ट. क्यों बोल रही हो? क्योंकि आप एक नाई के पास जाते हैं बाल कटवाने के लिए, एंड उसकी रेजर से आप डरते नहीं, आपको फेथ है कि वो आपको काटेगा नहीं. तो आप हैव फेथ इन गॉड कि वो आपकी ज़िंदगी से जो बाहर फेंक दे रहे हैं वो आपके लिए सही है, और जो ला रहे हैं वो आपके लिए है. Okay, so choose what God sends you. Thank you so much everybody, and I also want to say to you कि नवंबर या फरवरी का महीना आपके लिए significant हो सकता है, and that's where I want to end your reading. Thank you. Namaste, signs of Virgo. This is your October 2021 reading, and wow, we already have a card for you. And this is the Six of Pentacles. Okay, so Virgos, I feel you will be receiving money in the month of October, right? And at the bottom of the deck, Page of Lotus, Cups. Okay. Let's see what I'm getting from this while I roll the messages in the magic bowl. Infinity magic bowl. This is not, we're not doing the reading very traditionally like we always do, guys. In this month of October, we're trying to find out what we need to hear, right? What we need to hear. So let's find out what you need to hear. Okay, and I feel guys, sorry, because it's Durga Puja. Happy Durga Puja, my dear Virgos. Okay, Six of Pentacles. So let's see. And also maybe I feel that you could take a trip. Many of you could take a trip with your beloved, जहाँ पे पानी वानी हो आसपास. That's what I feel. For many of you, this is a collective general reading, will not resonate with everybody, but I do feel that you will be receiving money. And also secondly, also for many of you, you will choose to spend time alone also, for many of you, right, in meditation. So two things for I feel that I'm reading for two groups of peoples, right? And especially the younger group of Virgos, I think they're planning a trip. Are you planning to elope this puja with your beloved? Okay. Anyways, let's find out from the Infinity Magic Bowl what we need to hear in this month of October. Wow, I'm being guided to leave this message out. Okay, not for you, not for you all. Okay, I listen to my spirit guides. Okay, so the number 29 and then number 3. These two may be very well your date of birth numbers, or could be 3 could be your life path number, and when work is a pleasure, life is a joy. When work is a duty, life is a slavery. So maybe as I said, that in this month of October, maybe the last month, September, has been very heavy on you. Maybe you were doing lots of work and it took a toll on you, and maybe it felt like, slavery to you. So maybe, in the workplace, you enjoy, okay? One life. I want to tell all of you, one life. So take time to enjoy the life that you are creating, right? That you are living. देखिए, जीने के लिए ना चंद लम्हात ही देती है ज़िंदगी, राइट? आप या तो लम्हों को जी सकते हैं या लम्हों को गिन सकते हैं, करेक्ट? Love. I want to show this card. Page of Lotus Cups. Okay. So when work is a pleasure, life is a joy. When work is a duty, life is a slavery. Virgos. Okay. So treat your work with joy. Okay. Then it would not feel like slavery. And also if you, I feel आप लोग बहुत hard working हैं, तो थोड़ा अपने लिए भी समय निकालें और enjoy करें in this month of October. थोड़ा take time, take a trip around water. That will help you. That is also a message for somebody. Okay. Circumstances do not make a man, they reveal him. Okay. So whoever you are, beautiful soul, know that you're stronger than any circumstance that you are facing in your life right now. Okay. And I'm being guided to pick this message, and it says seek candle meditation. Okay, so see, this guy is sort of meditating. He's away from all the temptations of the world, all sorts of temptations, but he's seeking away. He's within himself, seeking solitude. So it says seek, and candle meditation is coming through. You can practice candle meditation. Nearness to beloved in heart, body and soul by the spirit. Oh my God, we can't make this up. So if you're somebody who's trying to manifest love, right, definitely this message resonates here, and we have a candle burning here. So do candle meditation if you're somebody who's trying to attract a soulmate. I do feel that for many of you, right? And if so use candle meditation by the spirit. Okay. Nearness to beloved in heart, body and soul. Okay. Feel the closeness, and you can manifest in the physical. Okay. A deadline is a negative inspiration. Still, it's better than no inspiration at all. So see, again, work. I think you guys are really, you guys have been focusing on work too much, and maybe you had too many deadlines, and आप थोड़ा worked up हो गए थे शायद. I do feel in the past few months, but डेडलाइंस की भी एक नेसेसिटी होती है, राइट? कि ये एक डेडलाइन है, मैं अपने आप को दे रहा हूँ पर्सनल बाउंड्री कि मैं इसमें, it's for development, it's for self growth, so it's not a bad thing, right? So but a deadline should not be a deadline, it should not be a dead end. Okay, तो अपने आप को expand करने का मौका दे हमेशा, and it's okay to do less than do nothing at all, and it's better than no inspiration at all. As it says कि एक deadline होती है तो आपको एक push करने का, अपने आप को push करने का एक reason होता है. You try to expand yourself, and आप अपने आप को और express कर पाते हैं चाहे तो, right? It's all about your will. And I do want to say that the days Fridays and Thursdays, ये दो दिन आप meditation करने के लिए use कर सकते हैं. It will be very very helpful to all of you. जैसा कि ये meditation का आया message, this is a channeled message. I wrote it in one of my psychic channelings, and which came through the spirit, by the spirit. I said, fear knocked, faith answered, no one was there. So fear knocked. See here, fear knocked. And when faith answers, nothing is there, right, to be afraid of, right? Ultimately, this message is speaking for itself, right? So, जब आपके अंदर faith होता है, जब आपके अंदर फेथ होता है, फेथ की कैंडल जल रही होती है, तो अगर फियर नॉक करता है तो उसको वहाँ पे कोई भी नहीं मिलेगा, राइट? अपना वो भोज बनाने के लिए, राइट? फीड करने के लिए कुछ भी नहीं मिलेगा अगर आपके अंदर फेथ है तो, राइट? So that's one message that I'm being guided to take, and let's see this. It says, it says lust, microwave cake versus love, slow baked oven, proved in fire, when the crust cracks open, perfect. Oh my god, that is such a sweet message. So I guess you're gaining clarity, Virgos, in the month of October. Meditation कीजिए and seek clarity, nearness to your beloved, and lust and love. If you were afraid, fear, and if you were afraid कि ये lust है मेरा, कि love है मेरा, fear and faith की बात है यहाँ पे, right? So the message agrees with, they both agree with each other. I hope you can join the dots there, right? What it is trying to say. This is so funny. Lust is like a microwave cake. 5 minutes में बन जाता है, and oven baked cake 45 minutes minimum, at a certain temperature. But when the crust breaks open, it's the tastiest, part of the cake. So perfect. Okay, wishing you lots and lots of love, and perfection in love, self-love. Practice self-love also. This is an act of self-love, right? Candle meditation. Do that, okay? God bless you all. I want to take all of these messages, but I'm being guided to finish here. Thank you so much. Namaste. Stay blessed. Namaste Capricorns, this is October 2021 reading for all of you, and this is my Sacred India Tarot deck, and I am Sri Rinki. Right, let's find out what we need to hear. We need to hear in this month of October 2021 by the Spirit, right? Not that we want to hear, but what we need to hear, right? That's the greatest help, what we need to hear. So let's find out in this month of October, my dear Capricorns. 6 of Wands. Are you getting married? 6 of Wands. Okay. The Tower. Or are you getting out of a marriage? I don't know. Capricorns, many of you. I see at the bottom of the deck this is major arcana. For none of the other signs there was a major arcana, but here at the bottom of the deck we have 16, which is the Tower, right? And Tower card comes up when the foundation is faulty for something in your life, right? Jiski foundation theek na ho. And 6 of Wands, but again this is a victory card also, right? So jo bhi divine ne I think many of you are very enlightened in your purpose in life, Capricorns, and I think you are overcoming your personal struggles, struggle with others, or ego struggles with yourself, ego conflict, because this is Ravana, right? And this is total victory. And here also, so wow, this is very intense. This is very intense, Capricorns. I did not receive this kind of energy from any other earth signs. Let me just bring messages, what we want to hear. Oh my God, from the Infinity Magic Bowl. Let's see. Okay, so the number 31 and the number 1 are coming through, right? The number 31 and 1, they could be your date of birth, and 1 could very well be your life path number, okay? So I do see that you are, you're a star seed, that is what I want to say. Not for everybody, but for definitely somebody I'm resonating with, because this is Sri Ram and he's killing Ravan here, right? And Purushottam, right? And again here, you see this Shiva. Here Shiva is, he's shooting arrows at all the faulty, foundations of the universe, right? जो भी सही नहीं है यूनिवर्स में, वो उसको arrow से मार रहे हैं, right? तोड़ रहे हैं. That is what I want to say. And when I remove this, I have again a major arcana, and I'm guided to take this 13, death. Okay, so death of a situation, death of something old, right? So I think you're releasing in this month of October, you will be releasing many things that don't serve you, and it's time to make, to be the truth of who you are, I feel. I think you will gain a lot of power in October, and you will be able to overcome a lot of, beliefs within yourself. Wisdom, okay, wisdom in the man, patience in the wife, bring peace to the house and a happy life. Okay, so resonating, we can't make this up. So definitely, as I said, कि आप लोग अपने घर में एक maybe आप अपने घर में एक नया डिसिप्लिन एस्टैब्लिश करना चाहें, या wisdom in the man and patience in the wife, maybe that is what is needed in your house hold to bring peace and to bring happiness into your life. तो पुराने कुछ तौर तरीके, तहजीब तमीज़ जो आप अपने होम लाइफ में अप्लाई करते थे, उस पर शायद आप लोग इस महीने इम्प्रूवमेंट करें to have a better and happy and peaceful life. It says a lie can travel halfway around the world while truth is still putting on its shoes. Oh my God, I did mention truth before this. So a lie can travel halfway around the world. Truth is still putting on its shoes, right? And I think you're coming into terms with truth. A lot of truth of who you are, what you want to do, and how you want to live, with whom you want to live. I really don't want to say many of you might seek divorce because the Tower card is here, but if it is true for you, if it brings you peace, love, healing, happiness, if it's for your highest and greatest good, if it's for your it's a healthy choice for you, for yourself, and it's coming out of self-love, I bless you. This is a very, very strong energy. Mother Kali is coming here, number 13, number 16, very, very, and 13 is again the mirror of 31. Do you see how it is? Oh my God. And there was a leap, we can't deny this. Frey, wealth, mother rune. Okay, so I think मदर की हेल्थ अक्टूबर में मदर की हेल्थ लेके थोड़ा आप concerned रह सकते हैं, Capricorns, that is what I'm feeling. Or maybe you want to take care of your mother's health, give her extra care, extra love, and this is a sign which is coming through Fehu and Frey. ये रून का साइन है, and that is the runic message for you, right? And wealth, definitely this is 6 of Wands, so wealth भी आ सकता है आपकी मदर की तरफ, काफ़ी लोगों के लिए मदर की तरफ से कोई गिफ्ट आ सकता है, you know, आपके लिए. So that is what I'm feeling. And let's pick a few more cards. Let's take these two tarots. I'm guided to take these two tarots. Dominion and defeat. Dominion and defeat. Wow, we can't make this up, guys. Dominion and defeat. Do you see this? Again, 13 and 31. Dominion and defeat. Right? देखिए सब, I know for one thing that किसने लिखा है मेरे को याद नहीं आ रहा, बट जो बहुत सारे देशों को कॉन्कर करता है उससे भी ज़्यादा वो आदमी सुप्रीम है जो अपने आप को कॉन्कर करता है, राइट? सो आई थिंक in this month you will conquer a lot of things within yourself and outside in your environment, because as within so without, right? And mother and father blessings coming through. A wish is a desire without an attempt. A wish is a desire without an attempt. Laughter is the shortest distance between two people. Okay, again, I think if you're in a relationship, guys, if you're in a relationship, I do feel that अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आपका relationship heal हो, तो without an attempt आपका it's just a desire, आपका wish is just a desire without an attempt. A wish is a desire without an attempt, right? आप wish कर रहे हो लेकिन आप attempt नहीं कर रहे हो उसको fulfill करने के लिए, उसको you know act में लाने के लिए energy डाल नहीं रहे हो उसमें, pull करने के लिए, attract करने के लिए, then it's not going to work, right? And that's why it says laughter is the shortest distance between two people, okay? Today only we were having a conversation, me and Nivedita, my divine feminine, that love is the medicine and laughter is the drug, right? And if anyone has enough of these two substances in their life, they would be really happy and free. And happy people don't fight or wars, or happy people are never angry. You will see that happy people, wherever they go, they share more happiness, you know. And unhappy people, sadly, they will go share unhappiness, right? And make so but the point is that laughter is the shortest distance between two people. So if there's any way, you know, if there's any way that laughter can you can spend a quality time sharing a laugh together about something, and you know, past mistake, if you can laugh about that, then you can definitely move beyond, and whatever that is you're wishing for may manifest in this month. And I have this last message that I'm guided to take. Character builds slowly, but it can be toned down with incredible swiftness. And the next message that you need to hear in this month, for those who believe, no proof is necessary. For those who don't believe, no proof is possible. Oh my God. I do definitely believe that this is a pile where we are struggling in marriage. And see, marriage में एक purpose होना ज़रूरी है, सिर्फ structure काफ़ी नहीं है एक marriage में कि मैं पति हूँ, मैं पत्नी हूँ, right? So you have to believe in yourself, right? And others. And for those who believe, no proof is necessary. For those who don't believe, no proof is possible. I mean, I don't know how to explain this better than how it is written, right? I hope all of you can perceive it in the way I'm unable to explain it to all of you. Character builds slowly, but it can be torn down with incredible swiftness, right? So don't be swayed by faulty, false proof, right? False proof. झूठ की ज़िंदगी बहुत short lived होती है, right? As we have read earlier, right? And a lie can travel halfway around the world while the truth is still putting on its shoes, okay? So, but the truth will stand itself, right? So be strong. For those of you, two tower, major arcana cards, tower card, I know it's not gonna be easy. I wish you lots of love, healing, blessings, love, light, whatever that you need at this point in time. I ask and pray to the divine that you receive it. Thank you so much. Sending you much love. Thank you. Mahadev. Water sign, water sign, water sign. We'll start with Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Okay. Namaste, my beautiful Cancerians. This is your October 2021 reading, and I am Shri Rinki. Thank you so much. And this is my Sacred India Tarot deck by Rohit Arya. And let's find out October May what it is that you need to hear. Okay, so 8 of Pentacles at the bottom of the deck. And major arcana 1, the Magician. Wow, magic. So in the month of October, let's find out. ये तो बहुत बढ़िया है, ये तो बहुत बढ़िया है Cancerians आपके लिए. Very nice. At the bottom of the deck, I think आपको अपने कर्मों के हिसाब से आपको बड़े अच्छे या बुरे जो भी रिजल्ट्स हैं वो विष्णु जी देंगे. Let's find out. I actually this dice इस पे मेरी नज़र पड़ी and it wanted to come out. So definitely. And Magician और ये dice it relates. मेरे एकदम से नज़र पड़ी and I was guided to take it out. Right? So definitely I feel कि आपका luck change होगा in the month of October. I feel. And एक ढक्कन निकल के आया है. And इस पे the letters FORT, fort, ये है. So these could be the first letters of your name. That's what I feel. And ये एक purple ढक्कन है, right? So crown cap. और इसमें कार्ड में भी crown of a pen, cap of a pen. और यहाँ पे देखिए इस magician के crown में ये पूरा एक ऐसा Vasuki, this is Vasuki, right? This is Vasuki is there, right? Pura unka. So spiritual connection. I think in this month of October, आप ज़्यादा spiritual हो सकते हैं, divine से और ज़्यादा connect कर सकते हैं मेरे को लगता है, because यहाँ पे ये अंगुली माल है और यहाँ पे बुद्धा है, right? तो मेरे को लगता है आप divine से connect करेंगे और काफ़ी spiritual wisdom gain करने की कोशिश करेंगे अपने life में. अपने purpose को जानने की कोशिश करेंगे शायद आप अपने लाइफ में. वाओ, आपके लिए बड़े फनी चीज़ें निकल के आई है यार कैंसेरियंस. यू गाइज आर वेरी फनी इट सीम्स. हाँ, ओ माय गॉड. नाउ ये कहाँ पे था ये? आई थिंक दिस वाज माय डॉटर्स. वो फ़ोन के पीछे एक चीज़ होती है ना, वो जो इसे स्टैंड खींच के लगाते हैं या पकड़ने के लिए और समथिंग, व्हाट इट इज़ कॉल्ड, आई डोंट नो रियली. तो उसका ये था एंड आई जस्ट kept it here. So I feel that आप शायद फ़ोन पे काफ़ी ज़्यादा या समय बिताते हैं या कम तो maybe you're somebody who needs to spend less time with phone because मेरी बेटी फ़ोन के साथ बहुत ज़्यादा समय बिताती है एंड मैं उसको हमेशा ही बोलती हूँ कि थोड़ा कम समय बिताओ. सो मे बी दैट एंड बिकॉज आप तभी अब फ़ोन से निकलेंगे और अपने सेल्फ में आएंगे, तभी आप डिवाइन से, अपने इनर मैजिक से कनेक्ट कर पाएंगे, अपने इनर डिविनिटी से कनेक्ट कर पाएंगे. और also maybe you could be somebody with blue eyes, that's what I feel. And maybe you have a bright smile, right? Okay, I want to say that maybe you have a bright smile. Okay, so keep smiling, keep smiling. Oh my god, मेरे को बहुत हंसी आ रही है. Wow, I miss you. Okay, so Cancerians, I want to tell you that या तो आप किसी को मिस कर रहे हैं in the month of October या आपको कोई मिस कर रहा है, right? And that is what is coming through. अरे आप ये क्या मतलब किसी भी फाइल के लिए अभी तक ऐसा नहीं निकला. वाओ, ना मैजिक बॉल से क्या क्या निकल के आ रहा है. डेफिनेटली यू नो मैजिशियन कार्ड, दैट्स व्हाई. वाओ, सो इट लुक्स लाइक किसी घर का दरवाजे का डोर, यू नो. सो अ न्यू डोर मे बी इज ओपनिंग फॉर यू, यू नो. एक नया दरवाज़ा आपके लिए शायद लाइफ में खुल रहा है. एंड देखिए डाइस पे जब मैंने रोल करके ऐसे डाला था तब 3 आया था, तो मैंने तब कुछ बोला नहीं. बट नाउ आई एम बी गाइडेड टू से दैट 3 नंबर ऑफ क्रिएशन है. 369, दैट्स वेयर द मैजिक बिगिंस, राइट. माइंड, बॉडी एंड सोल इन अलाइनमेंट, राइट. लेट्स सी और क्या. अच्छा oh my god, we've got a rubber band. So रबर बैंड. नाउ रबर बैंड के काफ़ी यूजेस होते हैं. इसकी काफ़ी प्रॉपर्टी है. स्ट्रेच, आप अपने आप को काफ़ी और स्ट्रेच कर सकते हैं, यू नो. एंड रबर बैंड का क्या है कि more or less useful, right? You're a useful person, okay? You're a useful person, or maybe you will meet people in this month of October. Yes, because this man is meeting somebody, so maybe you will meet somebody in this month of October जो आपके लिए useful साबित होंगे. With this rubber bands, I'm receiving this kind of a message for you. And yeah, I mean आपको expand कर you know strength, expansion, and yeah. That's what I'm feeling. And let's see. I want to pick these here. It says V. So the letter V could be significant to you. It says Vunjo joy. That's actually a rune. It says kingship, joy, and heritage. So Cancerians, for this month, I feel that definitely up, you know. जॉय एक्सपीरियंस कर पाएंगे. सी ये स्माइल भी बड़ी स्मग सी है ना इस पे, वेरी क्यूट. सो ओके, एंड आई एम गाइडेड टू से न्यू बिगिनिंग्स, फोकस्ड एनर्जी, एंड द साइन ऑफ लियो सन is coming through. July and August, maybe इस अक्टूबर से नेक्स्ट जुलाई टू अगस्त तक यू नो आपके लिए एक अच्छा समय है टू स्टार्ट, यू नो, एंड फोकसिंग ऑन योर सेल्फ, राइट. एक नया जर्नी. देखिए यहाँ से ये एक संत से मिला, ये अंगुलीमाल बुद्धा से मिला, और ये उसने रियलाइज़ किया कि वो ऐसे चोरी करने का उसको ज़रूरत नहीं, ऐसे डकैती करने का ज़रूरत नहीं. वो खुद ही अपने मैजिक, खुद ही एक मैजिशियन है, राइट. वो खुद ही कुछ भी क्रिएट कर सकता है, राइट. सो दैट काइंड ऑफ अ फीलिंग आई एम गेटिंग. सो बाय द नेक्स्ट ऑफ you know next year July, that is what I wanted to say. That is what is coming through with this psychic message that I channeled, right. Primal, creative force, gate, again power. See, this so agrees. आप अपनी अंदर की पावर को पहचानेंगे कैंसर्स. I think in this month of October, that is what you need to hear. And I think till the coming year July, आप काफ़ी अपने आप पे काम कर पाएंगे, right. And I have a white feather here. So peace, it stands for peace. It stands for angels. So your angels are coming through to you. They want to help you, okay. And I'm being guided to pick this tarot card. Again, the number 1 could be important to you. The letter U is coming through. देखिए मेरे को जिस में जो लेटर आता है, K, J, ये letters, see, it's totally guided by spirit. So in any pile or any sign, whatever comes through spirit, that is what I translate to you, okay. So the number 1 is coming again. देखिए magician का कार्ड number 1 है. sun में number 1 लिखा हुआ है. मेरे चैनल जो you know message था. So I do feel the number, angel number 111. We do have a white feather. शायद आपको फॉलो कर रहा है. And that also उसका मैसेज को गूगल करिए, जानिए. Simply it's trying to tell you that you are the creator, right? Primal force, आपके अंदर वो क्रिएटिव पावर है जिससे आप कुछ भी क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. So that's where I want to end your reading, my dear beautiful people, in this month of October. I'm so happy for you, Cancers. Thank you. Namaste. Namaste, Scorpios. This is your October 2021 reading, and I am Shri Rinki here at Infinity Mind Body Soul Studio, and I'm using the Sacred India Tarot deck for your reading this month. What do you need to hear in this month? Oh my God, we got Death. This is a major arcana card. It literally flew out of the deck and at the bottom of the deck. So major transformation in the month of October, completion of a cycle, and Knight of Arrows, swords at the bottom of the deck. Okay. Okay. So crossing over, death again, crossing over, right? At the bottom of the deck, crossing over. So gaining power. I feel that you two are releasing stuff in the month of October, or you are being guided to release some stuff in October that doesn't serve you anymore, that does not resonate with the truth of you are, or who you want to become, or who you are becoming at this point in time. So you want to release those old beliefs, and I really don't want to say practical death for anybody. Definitely not that. Hope not. Bless you all. But definitely old limiting beliefs. And now with the Infinity Magic Ball, let's find out what we need to hear in this month. Oh my God. My dear Scorpios. Love you all. Okay. So the rune Jira. Jera Earth, cycles, right action again, death, one life cycle. So however you have been in the past, Scorpios, I think you're changing that and you're crossing over and growing into power. Yeah, because if you see this scene here, Hanuman, you know, when Ram was wanting to save Sita, and Hanuman was asked to jump, across the ocean to the other side. At first, he did not remember that how powerful he was, and that he could do this, that he was this Pavan Putra Hanuman, and today is Tuesday also. But then he's reminded and of his power, and then on chanting Ram, and he started expanding, and he was reminded of his power. So I do feel that all your you somebody who's realized his powers. See, all the hands are open and all the hands are adorned with skills and gifts and victory flag, and so cycles, Jera, Earth. See, Mother Earth, changing places. I also feel that many of you Scorpios, maybe it could be related to work also. Maybe you have to shift your places. Okay, so for many of you, and this message wants to be read. So you need to hear this. See, this is a collective and general reading. I will repeat, will not resonate with everybody, but my greatest prayer and intention for the reading these messages is that it resonate with you, bring you love, light, clarity, motivation, healing, and happiness. So when you need me, turn your back. I will be behind you with tulips to enlighten you. Okay, so I do feel that you can work with the energies of tulip tulip, flowers. You can work with the energy of tulip flowers in your environment in this month to enlighten you more on your new journey, right, that you're taking. Yes, again, and this message came for other pile also, I think, for other sign. It says, when work is a pleasure, life is a joy. When work is a duty, life is a slavery. See, Hanuman was Ram Bhakta, and he served Ram with utmost love and joy and loyalty, right? So we treat your work you're not a slave, right? And so you maybe you're somebody who does independent business or wants to do that. That is what I'm feeling for many of you. See, if you're somebody who's creative, I want to say that work for your passion, your career will create itself. Okay, that is a message which is coming through. And again, circumstances don't make a man, they reveal them, right? Hanuman could have shrunk back, could have said that mujhse to nahi hoga, but he remembered, right? So remember who you are. Okay, and this double card is coming through. It's a game, it's a very fun game I play with my daughter, guys. And maybe you're somebody who likes to wear glasses. Again, somebody who's either sensitive to the sun or who likes to drink ice cold water. There's ice, or maybe you somebody, so ice is melting here, so maybe maybe you need to spend some time in the sun to empower your third eye, I feel, right? There's eye, there's sun and water. Old frozen, here the ice cube, I'm reminded of frozen emotions, iced, memory, iced memory. It's melting, and again green, some new visions, something new to paint. You could very well be a painter. There's a spot of paint here. And horse, maybe you're somebody who likes to play chess, or maybe likes to ride, or also look into a horse totem. That is what is coming through. Horse totem, Google horse totem, and it may have message for you, right? Horse stands for strength, power, agility, virility, right? And green apple, maybe you need to include green apple in your diet. And I see, maybe if you're a woman, maybe you're somebody who has very beautiful lips. Not that you're not, if a man, you cannot have beautiful lips, but I'm feeling the energy of a woman. That's why I'm saying a woman. And if you're a woman, try red lipstick this October, right? It's puja season after all. Smile, change your style. This is puja, right? October. So maybe goggles, and again the lipstick and the eye, everything, I think it's all about change. Maybe you're changing your diet, more green diet, adding more greens to your diet, more fruits to your diet, okay? And the sign of Sagittarius is coming through. The number 3. The number 3 is here, the number 29 is here, right? And the number 3 is coming again here from the message which I just picked. And so 3, the angel number 3 could be following you, so pay attention. Temperance, Sagittarius. So maybe you're involved with in the month of October, maybe you will coming across somebody who's a Sagittarius, or who will teach you about more about space and temperance, and will be a teacher. Maybe you will meet a teacher in this month of October for your development, synthesis and productivity. Completion of a phase. We cannot deny this, guys. This is death card, and this is a message. It says completion of a phase, development, synthesis and productivity. So wow, I can't believe this, how spirit works. So many messages in the bowl, and absolutely the ones that resonate. I want to pick this one. The number 7 and 26 are coming through again. And the message is the mind has exactly the same power as the hands, not merely to grasp the world but to change it. Wow, can we deny this message and the card? The mind has exactly the same power as the hand, not merely to grasp the world but to change it. My dear Scorpios, I want to remind you that battles are fought in a battlefield, but they are won here in the mind first. So the courage to imagine the otherwise is our greatest resource. So the courage to think otherwise. Okay, imagine, use your power of imagination, right? And courage comes to courage is an act of strength and bravery, which you already are, right? Hanuman, I see you could very well be a bodybuilder, somebody who builds body, right? I see this. So yeah, so congratulations. These are your messages for the month of October, and that's where it ends. Sending you lots of love, light, blessings, and healing. Thank you so much. Signing out. Namaste. Pisces. Namaste Pisceans, this is your October 2021 reading, and I am Shri Rinki, and I am using the Sacred India Tarot deck by Rohit Arya for this reading, and we will also be picking out messages that we need to hear in this month of October, my dear Pisceans. And we have 9 of Pentacles. Wow, are we receiving money? Lots of money, raining money, Pisceans. Wow, and at the bottom of the deck, and not just money, I think lots of spiritual wisdom, and 6 of Cups, and at the bottom of the deck, maybe meeting somebody from a past life, and also or an old friend. In the month of October, we do meet friends in October, right? It's puja time here in West Bengal, India. And even though and also maybe you're connecting to your inner child, right? Inner guru, because this girl is meditating here, and here wisdom is being received. Nothing needs to be said, but everything is transmitted by this lotus here, and there are lotus everywhere around this woman. So I think Pisces, you've been really blessed in this month of October. Now let's find out. Oh wow, only this one message for Pisces? This flew out? Okay, that must be very important. Let's find out what more messages. Okay. So first let's read this message. I'm very excited. This literally flew out of the oh, so sweet, and I can't believe this. Oh, I let down my guard when I am with you, which shows I'm happy with you. Oh my God. And can you imagine, this is written by Meeti and she is a Piscean, right? That's so amazing. So Pisceans, I want to tell you that somebody wants to tell you that they have a great time when they are with you, and they are able to let their guard down. As you see that how comfortable they are, these two people, and the transmission, all the conversation is done through the flower itself, the love, the essence, everything. And that is such a cute message, adorable. In fact, my daughter channeled this. Oh my God, and she's a Piscean too. So that's very, very true, Pisceans, for you. Let's see. I was guided to pick this double card here, and again we have a ladybug here, which is definitely a sign of good luck. definitely good luck. And I have dragon here, right? And I have a violet candle here. So definitely violet flame meditation will prove very powerful for you in this month of October. That is a message. And I see a car here, right? So many of you may be getting a new car, Pisceans. And again, water, drop of water is here, right? Again, so drink water. And ice melting, that speaks to me of old emotions, stuck up, frozen emotions or mind, mental thoughts, which is melting away with the fire meditation. And this web and the spiders, the spider is now not caught in the web anymore. Do you see? The spider is roaming around. It's free. Wow, I'm so happy for you, Pisces. So happy. Please work with the violet flame and invoke the fire dragons. Violet flame fire dragons. You can invoke their energy, right? Very beautiful. I'm being guided to pick this tarot from my thought deck, which is here in this bowl, and the number is 10. It says wealth, and this is full 10 of pentacles. I think this month of October is going to be phenomenal for you, Pisceans. I think lots of good things are coming to you, and let's be open. Spiritually dead or alive, a life, one life. I was guided to pick this message, and if you see, this is a very, very spiritual, connected to your own spirituality. This is one life, right? And you're so focused on your inner wealth as well as manifesting your material wealth, which we saw with the double card here. So many of you are manifesting huge wealth in the month of October. I'm so happy for all of you, and this is my favorite message from the reading, right? And I'm being guided to pick one message from all of these. I don't know which one is going to be. I'm not looking. I'm just... okay. X. Thuras Thor. Protection, polarity, and regeneration. Wow. So, old time is over. New time is beginning, right? And protection, you have protection, you have divine protection. Do you see how this girl is being protected by the snake over her head, right? Protection. Polarity, do you see these two people sitting in opposition? And polarity, right? And regeneration. This flower, if you see, it's emitting energy, positive energy. So new positive energy is entering your life, Pisceans. I think October is going to be a great month for all of you. Thank you so much for joining me here in this reading. Sending you lots and lots of love, light, healing, and many blessings this October. Happy Durga Puja.